Yo, check this out. Lil Cheesy Too Breezy just posted a rap contest.
Lil Cheesy Too Breezy. That dude with the blue hair and the alpha tattoos?
Yeah, bro, check it out.
What's going on, rap fans? It's Lil Cheesy Too Breezy, and today I'm announcing my rap contest. Winner gets a free feature, so drop some hot bars for me and send them my way. We will be announcing the results in a few days from now. So drop some hot bars for us.
Did y'all see what Lil Cheesy Too Breezy just posted?
Yeah, he's doing a rap contest.
Big Baby Sneeze about to change the game,
Jesse, come on.
It's Big Baby Sneeze, Yo, it's Big Baby Sneeze. It's about Brandon. No one takes a Jesse Nelson seriously in the rap game. You ever heard of a Big Jesse? Exactly. Big Baby Sneeze though, that's a movement. Alright, so when we hit in the stew, I'm about to drop the hardest track known to man.
Oh yeah?
Absolutely.
I mean, I've heard his music before. It's.
Do I think he win the contest? As a friend, I have to say yes, but if I'm being honest,
It's a movement, Big Baby Sneeze.
Alright, run it.
Yo, you already know what's going on. I'm about to win this whole thing. No question about it. Know what I mean? I step in the room, make the crowd say bless you. Call me Big Baby Sneeze, I need a tissue. If you look at me weird, it's gonna be an issue. When I'm done with this beat, I'ma need to use the restroom. Yum, Big Baby Sneeze, I tear up these streets. I need a sneeze. Achoo! They begging for mercy, they asking me please. I'm getting that queso, I'm getting that cheese. I got a lot of chains, I got a lot of bling. Yes, Big Baby Sneeze.
Woo! That was hot. I'ma step outside. And if I'm not back in 10 minutes, just wait longer.
I think my ears are bleeding.
Believe it or not, I've heard worse.
Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to be announcing the results to my rap contest. But before we jump into that, I got a special guest that I want to say. DJ Stank Breath in the building. Alright, let's go
Yo, this
ahead
dude
and jump
mad
into the
ugly.
results to our rap contest results. Yo, chat, why y'all spamming DJ Stank Breath built like Big Chungus? Yo, I don't know what that means. And the winner of the 2025 Cheesy Too Breezy rap contest is Lil Baby Sneeze.
Oh my god, I was wrong!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Big Baby Sneeze, Big Baby Sneeze! Big Baby Sneeze next up. We made it. Another one. Got it!
There's no freaking way.
Oh, so we're giving out trophies for trash bars now. I guess trophies don't matter when the judges are deaf. Man, you know what? I can't do this no more, yeah. Where he at?
Stay tuned for the Lil Sneezy Too Breezy Big Baby Sneeze collab.
Y'all weren't ready for this. It's Lil Cheesy Too Breezy.
And Big Baby Sneeze.
Calm down now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's spit some heat for y'all.
Y'all ain't ready.
Alright. Yeah.
Suburbs ain't ready.
Alright, calm down now. Calm down.
And we about to.
Alright. Yo. Yeah.
Y'all ain't know.
Alright, bro. Just shut up. Let me do my thing. Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, they call me Lil Cheesy, cause I move too breezy. They can't keep up, I hear them wheezing. They wish they was us, I hear them pleading. Yeah, it's Lil Cheesy Too Breezy's favorite season.
Yes, BBS, Big Baby Sneeze. I get the paper right off the trees. They love my music from way overseas. All these haters stuck to me like they some fleas. My bar's so hot it got them weak in the knees.
My chain so icy it make the whole room freeze.
I can't afford Louis V, so I'm going to Walmart.
Bro, that doesn't even rhyme.
Bro, just keep going.
Yeah, I just got a bag, so I'm finna hit up Walmart.
It's BBS, all I do is sneeze, yeah, I don't fart.
When we drop this song, it's going to the top of all the charts.
Yeah, and I rap this from the bottom